across countries like Malawi. In fact, a Malawi National Agroforestry Food Security Program was developed a few years ago and has been scaling up these practices to hundreds of thousands of farmers across the country. In addition, more recently, there has been a successful pilot program on scaling up fertilizer trees along with fertilizer subsidies and subsidized fertilizer to the poorest farmers in Malawi, and that program involved 10,000 smallholders. Based on its success as a model for combining the scaling up and mass propagation of fertilizer shrubs with the provision of subsidized fertilizer, we have now gone into a program this past year that has expanded to 30,000 farmers. These are the kinds of models that COMESA has in mind in terms of sharing the experience of successful countries with other countries as they grapple with how they can move to a sustainability pathway and eventual exit from inorganic fertilizer subsidies. The establishment of these biological fertilizer factories on the farm will enhance the impact of the input subsidies themselves and provide governments a way forward in terms of finding an exit to the enormous amounts of investment that they are grappling with currently in their current programs, and basically providing a regenerated soil and sustainability system for the long run, not simply the short run. When we look at the situation in countries like Kenya, we find the confidence to say that smallholder farmers, are they planting trees? Are they interested in tree production systems as a part of their farming system, even though they may have only 1 or 2 acres of ground? Kenya proves the rule, in which the mapping that we have just done recently indicates that over 70% of the agricultural land of the country has greater than 10% tree cover already. And this is hardly starting with the options of using fertilizer trees and fertilizer shrubs as a component of these systems. Kenya therefore proves that farmers want to grow trees, they are buying and planting trees, and if the fertilizer subsidy program in Kenya were to get engaged in connecting mass propagation of these shrubs